Welcome back guys to the channel. So we are back with another video, and today we are going to be talking about recap for gold for the entire week, Monday to Friday. So let's try to look through and see how the week went on gold. So we are starting from 30th till 3rd of November, so Monday to Friday. Without wasting any time, let's jump right into it guys. So I had put an ellipse here where the week started. So this is our Monday entry point. On Monday we started with a gap down, as you can see, and a gap down means a point of resistance. If you know, anyone who trades stocks, it's common in stocks a lot. Gap down means a point of resistance or a point of support if the price moves to the upward side. So in the case of gold, it was a point of resistance. As you can see, we had a resistance right there in the early Asian session of Monday. We had a move to the downward side, and it became a point of resistance on the following days. So on Monday, we had a move to the downward side, and the price was retesting this exact resistance, which was just broken on the previous week. So here we see a resistance forming, and we are going to wait and see how price reacts when it comes back to this exact point. So again, you can see price moving back up here again, and it's creating another support. Now from our previous point of resistance that was created from the gap down, we see price coming back at the same point and confirming another move to the downward side, and we can see a break of the previous support on Tuesday. Now this created a very good opportunity right there. As you can see, we have a support being broken right there. Let me put a double ellipse here. We have a support being broken. This support right here was broken, as you can see, and we can see a move to the downward side. And now what are we waiting for? We are waiting for price to come back to this point and see how the market reacts when price comes back here. Now what we are expecting, as always, we are expecting a rejection at these two supports that were broken. We are expecting a rejection around this zone, and as you can see properly, we got a good rejection to the downward side, and it was pretty strong, because you can see it was a big impulse move to the downward side. Now here we are again going to put our rectangle right there, which means this is going to act as a point of resistance at some point in the future. And as you can see, the following day again, which was Wednesday. On Wednesday, I think it was Thursday, because this was Wednesday and this was Thursday. Now I'm going to put ellipses on all points where we had probabilities of an order in the entire week. Now notice properly where we have opportunities for orders in the entire week. This is where the ellipses are, as you can see right there. So we had another, let's look here. Now as you can see here, we had, this was a Monday from here up to here, and we had a very good opportunity to open a position right here. And what would the reason be for opening an order right there? Because this was a support, this was the resistance that was being broken right here, and this was a retest. So this was entry number 1 in the entire week, and this was entry number 2 for the week. So this was Monday and this was Tuesday. Now this was Tuesday early in the morning, the opening of London session, and this was the same day, Tuesday, in New York session. Now these were two opportunities on the same day, a long and a short. Now these two opportunities right there were the best of the, I think they were the best for the entire week. But we can see here on Wednesday we saw a break and as a sort of a distribution here, and price pulled back into the previous support that were broken, and price rejected right there, which was a good opportunity to go for a short position right there, because all these orders are small risk, so maximum of 50 pips as your risk, 50 to 40 to 60 pips around there. Now you can see here an opportunity to open a sell position, and price created a new support right here. It means we had a new support right here. Now as you can see, Wednesday had a good opportunity to the upward side too, a break here to the downward side during New York session, and I think that was the only opportunity. Yeah, that was the only opportunity on Wednesday, a buy position here and a short here, but this was more probable because it matches properly with the analysis. Now as you can see, we come here on Thursday and we have the same move right here, which I think it created something like 50 pips. Let me see. Yeah, it created a move of 50 pips after the confirmation of 1 hour. If you're trading in 30-minute chart, the confirmation was there too. So it means on Thursday it was only one confirmation to the downward side following the resistance which was there before. Now if we wait properly, price didn't come back to the support the entire day on Friday, and price just broke through to the upward side. Now what are we going to be waiting for in the following week? We are going to be looking at a possible move to the upward side, and maybe a pullback to the previous resistances that were just broken, and a continuation to the upward side. Or we are going to be looking for opportunities to break the previous resistance from the beginning of the week to the upward side again. Also we'll be analyzing from there, but all in all, that was the week in gold. We had a very good 5 opportunities throughout the entire week. We had on Monday 1 opportunity, and we had 2 on Tuesday, we had 1 on Wednesday, 1 on Thursday, and Friday was pretty complicated because of the high impact news that were coming out there in the evening. So it was not a good option to be looking for opportunities right there if you're not already in the market. So that was our video about the recap on gold. As you can see, we had 5 opportunities in 4 days, and we just jumped the day of NFP because of the high volatility right there. So yeah, I'm going to post a separate video of how the NFP went on gold on Friday. So from there you can see where were the opportunity from our NFP trading strategy. We have a separate video for that too also. So thanks for watching, guys. Keep it up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any video when we post. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and keep it up.